3 and 4. Triple drop, up, triple step. Then the saucy bit, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Triple step, 1, 2. We wanted to show you everything you learned, and then if you really practice with your partner a lot, you can get that extra flavor from these mechanics. It goes 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sugar pushes are fine. 1, 2, 3 and 4. But if you want more flavor, this is what you learned. Triple step, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But then the saucy bit, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Triple step, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Triple drop, up, triple step, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I've been DJ JohnPaul. That's been the lovely Kortnee. Grab a guy, grab a girl. You can do this.